In this Business Tech Planet video, we'll show you how to build flowcharts in Microsoft Loop. You may have noticed some new features appearing in Microsoft Loop. One new feature called Mermaid allows you to build flowcharts using Mermaid code. To start building your flowchart, type /, then type Mermaid, and select Mermaid in the pop-up. You'll be given an example of Mermaid code, with flowchart TD at the top, which means top down. You can change this to BT, which means bottom to top. LR, which means left to right. Or you can go right to left, using RL. But we'll leave it as top down for now. Start by removing the example code, which can be written much simpler in the following way. First, give your box a name. This can be anything, such as a letter, number, or word. But we'll name our box A. Now, type an open square bracket, followed by any text you want to appear inside the box. Then close the bracket. Follow the same process to make multiple boxes, remembering to give each box a unique name. Once you've made your boxes, you can start linking them together. To point box A to box B, type A, followed by 2 dashes and a right arrow. Then type B. To point box A to box C, type A, followed by 2 dashes, and a right arrow. Then type C. You can follow the same process to point one of the boxes to any other box, such as B to D. You can also add labels over the arrows to further instruct readers. For example, after the right arrow, type a vertical bar, which is known as a pipe in most coding languages. Then enter some instructions, such as use, followed by another pipe. In the next example, we'll enter the word try for the instruction label. To make a dashed line, type a period in between the 2 dashes. Or to make a thick line, change the dashes to 2 equals. With Mermaid code, you can also style the boxes, such as changing the text and background color. To do that, type style in lowercase. Leave a space, then enter the name of the box you want to style. Leave another space, then type fill, and enter a color. This could be a standard color name, or an HTML color code. The fill changes the background color. Type a comma to separate styles. Then, to change the text color, type color, and enter a color. To change the border, type stroke, followed by the color. To change the border width, type stroke-width, then add a numeric value, followed by px. You can even change the box's width and height. When you're finished styling the boxes, head up and click the options icon. Select preview from the drop-down menu to hide the code, and display the flowchart on its own, making it easier for readers to focus on the visual content. That's all for this video. Please leave a comment if this helped, and hit the subscribe button for more Microsoft videos. Also, for all the latest Microsoft news, and free exclusive resources, be sure to click the link in the description, and grab our weekly newsletter.